Okay, so in order to close the top on the acoustic and use the go bar deck like we did for the back, I need to make a guard to protect it from the go bar decks. I don't even know what you call them, the go bars, I guess, right? That makes sense. So that it doesn't dent the softer spruce. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm writing a little tool path to cut out a platen, so to speak. Just a little ring that'll go around the outer edge of the guitar, so then when I put the go bars on there, it's pushing against it instead of the spruce. Make sense? All right, let me get this written and we're rolling. Just got this junk piece of plywood. Not really junk, you know, but not the greatest piece of plywood in the world, just a piece of 1/8 inch material. I'm not even going to bother cross-cutting it or anything. I'm just going to stick it down and let the CNC cut it. It'll be good. Put a couple of marks on here. One there, one there. Okay, hey guys, we're back at it. I was a little premature the other day when I said that we were about to close the box. We were about to, but then I realized there was a couple more things I wanted to do. And those couple of things are, I had not installed, hold on a minute, let me get some of the dirt out of here. It's nice and clean when we close it up. I had not installed my side braces yet. Right? And I wanted to put a very light wash coat of shellac inside the box. Not all acoustic builders do that, but from my research, it seems that classical builders like to do so. So I'll put a light wash of shellac down in there, just enough to seal it, and it should keep the moisture from the inside of the box. And I did the same thing. I did the same thing to the back of the top. Put a light wash coat on there, and that will seal it. And I used amber shellac. I kind of wish I hadn't used amber, but it's not that big of a difference, but I just don't like the way it looks. Not that it really matters that much because it's inside the guitar and it's doing exactly what it's supposed to do, which is to seal it, but I just don't really like the way it looks that much. Now that we've got this clean, we can glue it down and we can close the box. That's our goal today. And what I did, you saw earlier, I made this ring out of 1/8" plywood. Now this will be a guard to keep the go bars from damaging the top when we clamp it down. Does that make sense to you? Man, the lighting in here is just not good. I gotta get some better lighting. Because when I stand over there, I feel like I'm standing in the shadows. Even though I have these really nice lights hanging above. But this kind of light, it's a different kind of color. It's almost like a blue color, which sounds weird, but if you look at something white close up underneath it, you can almost see a blue kind of sheen to it. You want to see something pretty though? Hold on. Look at that. How pretty is that, huh? So this is coming along real well. One more wet sand with about 1,000 grit, and then I'm gonna buff this, and this is ready for hardware and a neck. Okay, let's see how this is gonna go. We have this in place. We have all the notches cut. You've seen all that. You've seen us cutting the notches. Let me get you a little closer. You've seen me cutting the notches. You've seen me do all the prep work. So I didn't need to show you that again. So now really it's just a matter of getting it into place correctly, where it lays down in the notches properly, and putting some glue on it and seeing how it's going to do. And I think it's going to do well. And we'll just put these all the way around it. And we'll glue this top down. That looks good. It sits down really nice on here. There's almost no gaps at all, just holding it down with my hand. So it should be even easier to use the go bar deck on the top because there's no pressure. I mean, it sits right down on it. So that's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna go for that today. What's up? My son Noah. What's going on, Noah? We're getting ready to glue the top down. What you got going on? Okay, so my son stopped in for a minute. That's all right, that's good. Okay, so just gonna take a peek around here. Make sure we're still looking good. I think we are. I believe everything is good. And we'll just pull these go bars right out to this edge. we're gonna glue this thing down. If I want to see something up close, I have to take off my glasses so I can really zoom in on it. Man, when your eyes start getting messed up as you age, it's not good. Getting old is not a joke. All right, but that's all right. We can deal with that. I think we're gonna be fine all the way around. All right, got the signature on there. Almost forgot that. Signature on the top. Let's get some glue on it. And glue her down. Here we go. Okay, I think we got it, guys. That's it for today. We'll let this dry. The box is closed up. This is a beautiful thing. The Ramirez is coming very nicely. Next up, we'll work on this neck and everything else I need to work on. All right, you guys be good out there. We'll see you soon. Get out and support some local music, local bars, local bands. We love you. Peace. Be good to each other out there with guitars. Bye now.